10 powerful foods to cleanse your fatty liver fast. The liver, a vital organ responsible for the metabolism of nutrients, the detoxification of harmful substances, and the production of essential proteins, works to maintain general well-being. In an era marked by sedentary lifestyles and the consumption of processed foods, fatty liver disease has emerged as a prevalent health problem. This disease is characterized by the accumulation of excess fat in liver cells. This condition, if left untreated, can cause inflammation, scarring, and impaired liver function. Therefore, opting for a strategy of eating a healthy and nutritious diet can serve as a powerful tool for reducing the effects of fatty liver. In this video, we'll explore 10 powerful foods that can help you cleanse your fatty liver effectively. Beets. Beets, with their vibrant color and earthy flavor, offer more than just culinary appeal. These root vegetables are packed with a potent combination of antioxidants and betaine, making them a formidable ally in the quest for liver health. Beets contain a range of antioxidants, including betalains and other phytonutrients. These compounds work together to neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells, and contribute to oxidative stress. By reducing oxidative stress, beets help protect liver cells from damage and support overall liver function. The presence of betaine in beets is particularly noteworthy. Betaine is a compound that supports the liver in its detoxification processes. It assists in breaking down and eliminating toxins, ensuring that the liver can efficiently rid the body of harmful substances. Additionally, betaine can help prevent the accumulation of fat in the liver, promoting a leaner, healthier organ. Whether enjoyed roasted, boiled, or in a refreshing beet salad, incorporating beets into your regular diet is a flavorful and nutritious way to support liver health. Consider adding them to smoothies or juicing for a convenient and delicious liver-boosting beverage. Turmeric. Turmeric, a staple in many cuisines, owes its bright golden color to curcumin, a powerful compound celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Beyond its culinary uses, turmeric has long been recognized for its potential to promote liver health. Chronic inflammation is a common factor in liver diseases, and curcumin's anti-inflammatory effects make it a valuable asset. By reducing inflammation, curcumin can contribute to the prevention of liver damage and support the organ in its various functions. Additionally, curcumin is a potent antioxidant that scavenges free radicals, protecting liver cells from oxidative stress. This antioxidant defense is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of the liver and ensuring its optimal performance. Curcumin has been shown to enhance liver detoxification pathways, aiding in the removal of toxins and waste products from the body. This property can be particularly beneficial for individuals looking to support their liver's natural cleansing processes. Turmeric can be incorporated into a variety of dishes, from curries to soups and smoothies. Additionally, turmeric supplements are available for those looking to ensure a consistent intake of curcumin. Citrus fruits. Lemons, oranges, grapefruits, and other citrus fruits are not only refreshing, but also rich sources of vitamin C, a nutrient vital for overall health, and particularly beneficial for the liver. Vitamin C is known to stimulate the production of detoxifying enzymes in the liver. These enzymes play a crucial role in breaking down toxins and facilitating their elimination from the body. By enhancing the activity of these enzymes, citrus fruits support the liver's detoxification capabilities. In addition to supporting detoxification, the antioxidant properties of vitamin C help defend the liver against oxidative stress. This is important for preventing damage to liver cells and maintaining the organ's optimal function. Citrus fruits, despite their acidic taste, have an alkalizing effect on the body. This can help balance pH levels, creating an environment that is conducive to liver health. Maintaining a slightly alkaline pH is believed to support overall well-being. Enjoying citrus fruits as snacks, incorporating them into salads, or starting your day with a glass of freshly squeezed citrus juice are all delightful ways to harness their liver-supporting benefits. Apples. The saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," holds weight, especially when it comes to liver health. Apples, with their crisp texture and natural sweetness, bring more than just flavor to the table. Apples contain pectin, a soluble fiber known for its ability to bind to toxins in the digestive tract and assist in their elimination. By reducing the load of toxins that reach the liver, pectin helps the organ function more efficiently and supports overall detoxification. Beyond pectin, apples are rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids. These compounds contribute to the antioxidant defense system, protecting liver cells from damage caused by free radicals. Apples also play a role in regulating blood sugar levels. Fluctuations in blood sugar can contribute to fatty liver disease, and the fiber and natural sugars in apples help stabilize these levels, reducing the risk of liver-related issues. Whether enjoyed as a standalone snack, sliced into salads, or blended into a nutritious smoothie, incorporating apples into your daily diet is a delightful and healthful way to support your liver. Walnuts. Walnuts, with their distinct shape resembling the human brain, are not just a tasty snack. They are also a nutritional powerhouse, particularly beneficial for liver health. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid ALA. These essential fatty acids are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, and are crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of cell membranes, including those of liver cells. Additionally, walnuts contain glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that plays a key role in liver detoxification. Glutathione neutralizes toxins and helps protect liver cells from oxidative stress. The omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts contribute to reducing inflammation in the liver. Chronic inflammation is a contributing factor to various liver conditions, and the anti-inflammatory effects of walnuts can be beneficial for overall liver wellness. Snacking on walnuts, adding them to salads, or including them in your morning oatmeal are all delicious ways to enjoy the liver-supporting benefits of these nutrient-packed nuts. Garlic. Garlic, known for its robust flavor and culinary versatility, goes beyond its role as a kitchen staple. It harbors compounds, particularly allicin, that contribute to liver health in various ways. Allicin, the active compound in garlic, has been shown to support liver detoxification processes. It enhances the production of detoxifying enzymes, aiding in the breakdown and elimination of toxins from the body. Garlic possesses anti-inflammatory properties, which can be beneficial for reducing inflammation in the liver. Chronic inflammation is often a precursor to liver diseases, and incorporating garlic into your diet can contribute to reducing this risk. Garlic has been associated with lowering cholesterol levels, potentially reducing the risk of fatty liver disease. By regulating cholesterol, garlic supports overall cardiovascular health, indirectly benefiting the liver. Whether minced into sautés, roasted as a whole bulb, or incorporated into sauces and dressings, garlic adds depth of flavor and a wealth of health benefits to your culinary creations. Green tea. Green tea, a centuries-old beverage celebrated for its myriad health benefits, has gained recognition for its ability to support liver health through its rich antioxidant content. Green tea is abundant in catechins, a type of flavonoid, with potent antioxidant properties. These antioxidants help protect liver cells from oxidative stress, reducing the risk of cellular damage, and supporting overall liver function. Regular consumption of green tea has been associated with a reduction in fat deposits in the liver. This is particularly relevant in the context of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease (NAFLD), a condition characterized by excess fat accumulation in the liver. The catechins in green tea may also enhance liver function by promoting the production of detoxifying enzymes. This contributes to the efficient removal of toxins from the body. Enjoying a cup of green tea as a beverage or incorporating it into recipes, such as smoothies or marinades, is a delightful way to harness its liver protective benefits. Ginger. Ginger, with its distinct zing and aromatic profile, has been revered for its medicinal properties for centuries. Among its numerous benefits, ginger stands out as a supportive agent for liver health. One of ginger's primary strengths lies in its anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation in the liver can lead to various health issues, and ginger can play a role in reducing this risk by reducing inflammation. Additionally, ginger aids in digestion by promoting the smooth flow of digestive juices and enzymes. This not only supports overall digestive health, but also ensures that nutrients are efficiently processed in the liver. Research suggests that ginger can help inhibit the accumulation of fat in the liver. This is particularly relevant in the context of preventing and managing fatty liver disease. Whether you choose to add grated ginger to teas and soups, or add it to stir fries and sauces, incorporating ginger into your culinary repertoire is an enjoyable way to take advantage of its liver-supporting properties. Cinnamon. Cinnamon, with its warm and comforting flavor, is not only a delightful spice but also a valuable ally in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels and supporting liver wellness. Cinnamon has been shown to have a positive impact on blood sugar levels. By improving insulin sensitivity, cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar, reducing the risk of insulin resistance and associated fatty liver disease. Like many of the foods on this list, cinnamon is rich in antioxidants. These compounds contribute to the overall antioxidant defense system, protecting liver cells from oxidative stress. Cinnamon can also play a role in balancing lipid levels, including cholesterol and triglycerides. This can be beneficial for preventing the accumulation of fat in the liver. During your breakfast, you can sprinkle cinnamon on oatmeal, add it to baked goods, or incorporate it into hot drinks, are delicious ways to enjoy its flavor and, at the same time, promote liver well-being. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil, a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, is not only a flavorful addition to dishes, but also a source of monounsaturated fats that contribute to liver health. Unlike saturated fats, which can contribute to liver issues when consumed in excess, monounsaturated fats, such as those found in olive oil, may have a protective effect. These fats are associated with weight control and reducing the accumulation of fat in the liver. Olive oil contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, which can be beneficial for reducing inflammation in the liver. This anti-inflammatory effect contributes to overall liver wellness. The presence of antioxidants in olive oil adds another layer of protection for liver cells. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, supporting the liver's defense against oxidative stress. Using extra virgin olive oil in salad dressings, for sautéing vegetables, or drizzling it over dishes as a finishing touch, are all ways to enjoy its rich flavor and reap its liver-supporting benefits. Adding these 10 liver-loving foods to your diet can create a solid foundation for maintaining optimal liver health. However, it is important to approach dietary changes with individual needs in mind, and to consult a healthcare professional, especially for those with existing health problems. A holistic approach to liver health involves not only incorporating these foods, but also adopting a balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity, maintaining hydration, and avoiding excessive alcohol consumption. Remember that a healthy liver is critical to your overall well-being, and nourishing it with the right foods is a proactive step towards a healthier, more vibrant life. I trust that you enjoyed the content, and click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, enable notifications, and share the video with your friends and family.